Friday, and decided to go fishing or not. We'll do it for now. We'll load the boat up and see if we go fishing or not. Maybe we leave tonight. Leave tonight would be pretty cool, like What reckon, Hazel?
What?
Should we leave tonight or tomorrow?
Tonight.
Okay, we'll see. We're gonna load up the boat. Maybe load up one of the gears. Maybe put the mattress in the back of the ute. Go do an overnight trip. Pretty fun.
Have a night trip, everybody. Let's go, and we're going fishing. See you later.
Right, we've got the mattress ready. Light jackets. Our food. We're gonna have a little bit of cook up on the boat. Maybe some fried rice on the boat. Make it easy and fast for breakfast, and yeah, be the first time doing it. Be good for the kids. Now, so we got everything, put the boat on, a little tackle. Yeah, we're actually gonna go to my nephew's house. Yeah, you can pick up him from Te Aroha, take him on our boat. It's gonna apparently blowing pretty bad westerlies, but last time we went westerlies it was not too bad, so we'll find out tomorrow when we get there. We'll catch up with him in Te Aroha. Alright. Boat's all loaded up. Very good. Haven't used the boat for a while now, so that's gonna be our bed for the night. Hey Hazel.
Yeah.
So we'll be crashing here. Yeah, get to Thames and makes it easier than to wake up too early to go fishing. But yeah, see you in Te Aroha. Right, we made it to Te Aroha. Now off the Thames. Time to wake up. Hey? Yeah. Sit in the tray. Tray was good. Now we're at the Thames. Oh, we're in Thames, but we had the Kurita. It actually calmed down a bit. It was really rough before. Like, really rough. But it's got better. Alright, let's go. Alright, time to get some burley at good old camper tackle. Well, now water now. It was a bit hard to get off the boat ramp, but we're good to go. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go. Hold on, guys. Hey, look at the rope up. We're on the water. She's a bit swelly. You bait fish for you, Hazel?
Yeah.
Got some mackerels?
I got 3 mackerels for
Sure.
fish.
Nice and healthy.
That's what I did, eh?
Yeah. Look like I'm gunning it. Bit of work up. There's a work up on.
Use my word still.
See you But yeah, you updated. How you feeling, Kai?
I'm all good.
Should we go get some?
Yep.
Let's go then.
Let's go.
Take it away.
Snapper.
take it down too. Big boy. Big boy. Right from the boat, yeah. That's the boat. There's the motor. The big boy. Oh, not bad. Not bad for first fishing. Not bad at all.
You think that's a keeper?
Mate. Let go on. Throw it there.
Oh.
Come up, Kai. Running away, eh? Lift him up. Get that line. Oh, wait.
Hell yeah. Could you be spending like oh my god. I had to secure it. And it's the first fish. What you got, Hazel?
I think I got a kingfish.
Kingfish. What you got, Alvin? This is the big one. Oh, look at that. Snapper, 2 shrimpies.
Nice, Hazel.
Oh, now we got a big one too.
This is on the side,
I think that's like the size too.
Thanks for the cup. Sheesh. On the softy, Hazel. Go, darling. You do it. Over there, baby. All the way. Yep. There we go. Yep. Keep it going. What do you got? What do you reckon it is, Hazel? Keep it up, baby. Keep it up. We're going there. Yep. Away. Yep. Hey, keep your eye on your own, darling. Don't worry about that, boy.
Oh, I see the colour.
Keep going.
Oh, that's nice.
Nice, snapper. Bring it up. Nice keeper on the softy, eh? How do you feel about that one? Go on, boy, on the softy. Premium kit. We've got a Shimano Stradico. Two rod, not real. Doing the job though. Most of the bites has been on the softy. Might have to jump on the softy too. Nah, I might outfish you. You enjoy your moment, mate. You enjoy it.
Oh, no.
Running.
I did that.
Because they're enjoying the fried rice.
I give it 100 out of 100.
Yeah. There it is. The colour. Good one.
Appreciate it.
The bottom, and we've got a couple of times. I can leave some line out to try and take it for the drift.
Whoa!
Yeah, that's what I said. There's a big fish.
There's a massive fish down there. Yeah, there's most likely a kingy. It can't be a cool one.
Not bad.
Big one too. Oh, holy moly. Keeper.
Right, Carl, what do you got? Keep the pressure on, boy. Don't put it down. Put the rod down. Keep the rod on. Right, get the rod up. You try to keep the pin on the rod the whole time. Okay. How you feeling? Well, the bigger one you lost last before, eh? We stopped bait fishing for a bit and went back to the softies, and softies doing pretty well. At the farm, yeah, beautiful. But boy, better fishing. Leader. Oh, get the leader, guy. It's a good one. Nice, please. Drink. Nice, that was it. Softy. Double day.
So Dad, what did people just catch?
One mackerel. Hardly catch that. Got straight down. Getting this agitated. Man,
And what are you trying to get?
Trying to get I think a kingfish.
Kingy all day, bro.
alright, trying to get some bait first then. Bait hooked up. What do you got, Hazel? The light leader. How do you do it? Nice keeper. On a Siddiqui. Good work, guys.
Hazel, how much mackerel did you just get?
Oh my god.
Dad, look at that one by your foot. Hazel, look.
Full light mackerel.
Full light mackerel?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Big mackerel too.
There's something big down there that we saw. Look, see? It swam that way.
drama. Hazel's got a fish. What in there? Oh, I got a big dog on. Nama's got a fish on the softie. We'll go, baby. Go on, guys, bring it up. Give you one. Nice. There you go. Nice snapper. That was a good one. Nice. Yeah, nice eating one though. Beautiful. What do you got, Navi? Come on. I can't, darling. I'm recording. Wait. Just wait. You grab it. Grab it. Yep. Nice guy. Big boy. Come on, Navi. Bring us up. Let's line up. Let's break the rod. Okay. Start with Hazel's small rod, Kai, and then work your way around. I'll do that one. Got the gut hook. Yeah, got the gut hook. Come on, Navin, bring it in, bro. Take your time, please.
Right, it's not really. It's like I'm stuck on the line, but I'm not.
Hurry up, bro. Bring it in, bro. Max that shit up.
I'll break the rod, bro.
He's stuck.
I think so. No,
Wait.
I'm not. I'm on the fish.
You sure?
Get it!
Something's not right. That's heavy, bro.
That's heavy.
What's that?
I think it's shark.
Could be a stingray. Yeah, look, he's stuck or something.
Why the freaking bike over?
It's not even trimming it that way. Are you getting your line back or not? Ah, that's
Feels
brutal.
like a fish is still there, but I still feel like something else.
Just grab it! Well, he's really
Are you gaining or not?
gonna break.
I think the rod's on the edge, man.
I think it's stuck. It's stuck on the mud. Oh, I know! Mussel!
TBC. We'll get back up to it. There's a whole livey, mate. I've got two down. Yeah. Alright, give me a bit of camera. Oh, the big snapper. Harvey, you might need your help, bro.
Go sleep, bro.
I mean, for the net.
Get back in here, bro.
The bird game's jealous. The bird game's jealous. Go on.
Harvey hooked up too, the softie.
Wait, you got one!
But swelly, hey. Yeah, Lloyd, the big boy. He's coming.
Oven.
Loving.
Oh, he's fat.
Oh, darling.
Oh.
Release the drag, Kai. Release the drag.
That's how it just is.
Alright. Kai, release the drag, Kai. Kai, it's on the line. Go, Hazel, go.
Wow, he's got a horn on that one.
Yeah, boy. He's a big dog. Go, Hazel.
Nothing. Not Hazel. Let nothing know now. It's Nova's turn. Hazel, it's Nova's turn.
Wait, she's right. She's right.
TK. On the soft bait, Hazel.
Catch him with some drag, bro. Go, I can't. Give him one more drag. Give him one more beef. Give it a beef. Head off the boat. Head off the boat.
Yeah.
Nice, darling. On the softie. Sure. Oh, that bad boy. Hopefully a close by. Outgoing tide. Let's go. Alright, Hazel hooked up again. What do you got, Hazel? Oh, the webbing owl. Yeah, we'll be going soon. Look, big range up right there. Still only 10 o'clock in the morning. Not bad. Our bin's pretty full anyway.
Thank you for calling.
Ah, yeah, darling. Might just do one trawl on the way back home. Look at a kingy. Imagine that. Imagine we get a kingy. Just top off. Good girl, though. Not yet. Keep going, darling. See leader yet? See colour? OMG. Yes, sir.
And this one too.
Oh, it's alright. I'll sort it out.
Oh, no, he's right there.
Go the leader. Nice. Teamwork, guys. Go. Oh, go, darling. Battling, eh? The camera's so crap. Jays will go. Hey, fast, buddy, do it. Keep going.
Be honest, you want me to do it?
Yeah, darling, go, go, keep going.
Oh, yeah, let's see, he's tired now.
Tired, go, darling, keep going.
Ready? One, real fast. Real fast.
It's a good battle, eh, Hazel? Yep, keep going, gotta keep going, don't stop. Just see colour. The leader's right there.
Oh, look, there it is, that behind you.
Oh, the big boy. Beautiful, Hazel. Alright, in there. Oh, take it up, Hazel, hold it there. Open up in. I'll be able to cussing.
Oh, there's big Hazel.
The big boy, eh? Alright. Net.
Hazel, bring it this way, Hazel.
Have a go. Okay. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Nice, Hazel. How was that? Good fight. Go. Go, reel in. Reel in. What you got? Come on. Go, bring it up. Go, me. Nice, boy. How's it go? Go on, over it, go. Look, it's spinning hard as. Okay, put it down. Okay, all go. He's a good one. He's a big boy.
The rod's in my legs.
Okay, here we go. Yep. Away. Oh, dramatic. Yeah, we're done at the farm. We caught quite a bit of fishes and the bin was a bit full, so we decided to go head down the coast and try draw some livey for a kingfish. And yeah, see how we go. Alright, I got 4% of battery, but we stopped at this one spot. Awesome Bay. So calm. Look out there, she's a bit rough. No kingies yet, but we keep trying. Boy, what do you got? Nice. We've been trawling this little area here. There's been plenty of carwise. We saw Kingy catch follow Kai's lure, so we're gonna trawl. I got two carwise out now. We're gonna trawl it and see if that Kingy will come back. Nice Kai. Look at that bad boy. Big seal. Not bad. We've got a couple of carwise. We've got another carwise sitting out here and a mackie, but still no kingy. Keep trying. Yeah, my phone died after that. Only had like 2%. We left the chargers all in the car. But it was a pretty good day. No kingies and heaps of carwise, which is good. It's on a spring, eh? Yep. That's the end of the video. See you guys later.